An estimated 75,000 homes will be repossessed this year. The housing crisis is real. Please help us at shelter.org.uk.
Well, I think if you look in the public service category, we saw a lot of great work, a lot of stuff that emotionally connected with you, that touched you, that used emotional blackmail to connect with you. But very few of the pieces that we saw really stood out in a fresh new way. And I think what was wonderful about the shelter spot, it really tapped into a moment of time. Right at this moment in time, the world is suffering from a deep recession. There, for the grace of God, could be each and any one of us at any moment in time. Any one of us could lose our home. Our homes are literally houses of cards. And with one puff, the lot could come tumbling down. So it wasn't showing people on the streets sleeping in boxes, black and white commercials of yesteryear. This was again crediting people with intelligence and doing it in such a powerful, symbolic, potent way. It's not the black and white charity public service commercial. This was a very intelligent, thoughtful piece of communication that delivered for the brand Shelter and elevated it to a high level of interest at this moment in time, and capitalized on actually a terrible problem that we all face at this moment in time. But it was really smart.